Let's start with exercise 14.4. Question number 1. Draw any line segment AB. Mark any point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to AB using ruler and compass. So perpendicular, if we have to draw a 90-degree angle. For that, first of all, we will be drawing AB line of any measurement. And we will be putting M point on line AB. Anywhere on AB we'll be putting M point. Okay. Now open your compass of any radius. You can open your compass of any radius and put your needle on M point and draw a semicircle. Open your compass. Rehan Azhar Khan, stop talking. Open your compass of any radius. Any radius you can open it and put your pointer, your needle on M point and draw a semicircle. Hassan, Arnish, Bhumika, are you listening? Draw a semicircle and mark it as CD. Mark it as CD. Now, open your compass greater than CM. Open your compass greater than CM. Open your compass, all of you, greater than CM. You have to open your compass greater than CM. CM is this much. You have to open your compass more than CM. Okay, Hassan. Measured. Now put your needle on C point and cut an arc. If you have measured your compass more than CM, then put your needle on C point and cut the arc. Now do not change your compass and put your needle again on B point and cut one more arc. Do not change your compass and put your needle on D point and cut one more arc. Draw it, children. Put your needle on D point and cut an arc. Avni, start doing it. Harsh, you are not visible. Drawn. Now use your ruler in your hand and draw a line. Use ruler in your hand and draw a line, and line. You have to check the line should pass through this M point. The line will be passing through this M point. So draw it carefully, children. Now take your protractor in your hand and check whether it is a 90-degree angle or not. If it is a 90-degree angle, then your perpendicular is correct. If not, you have to draw it again. So check with the help of your protractor, your D, whether it is a 90-degree angle or not. Question number 2 is you have to draw a line segment PQ. So all of you draw any line PQ, any measurement line PQ, and take any point R not on it. R point you have to make outside this line. It should not be on this line. Okay? Your R point should not be on line PQ. It should be outside this line. So make R point outside this line. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ using ruler and set square. In the previous question, you have made a perpendicular using ruler and compass. Now in this question, you will be using a ruler and a set square, and you will be making a perpendicular. So what you are going to do, first of all, you have drawn PQ line, and then the R point was outside it. Now place your set square like this. In this way, place your set square. All of you place your set square in this way below line PQ. You have to place your set square like this. Aditya Biswas, are you doing your work? Place your set square below line PQ. Place your set square like this, all of you. Hassan, do it. Arav, Bhumika, do not close your camera. Have you placed your set square in this way? Now place a ruler with this, like this. Place your ruler with set square. Set square के साथ ruler रखिए. Keep your ruler with your set square. All of you put it like this. Kanishka, Hassan, Arav. Place your ruler with the set square. You have to keep it like this, in this position. Now you have to hold your ruler from one hand. Hold your ruler from one hand. Okay? You have to hold it properly. Your ruler should not move, but your set square will be slided upwards to R point. Slide upwards your set square to R point. Your edge of your set square should touch your R point. The edge of this set square should touch the R point. Slide your set square in this way. It should touch your R point. The edge of this set square is going to touch your R point. Now, using a set square, draw a line like this. Draw a line using a set square. Where you have touched set square on R point, draw a line over there. Draw a straight line over there where you have touched the set square on R point. Draw a straight line. Now here you can see RS is perpendicular to PQ. This is question number 2. Using set square and ruler we have drawn a perpendicular line. Prapti, you have drawn correctly. Anyone else who has drawn? Who has drawn this diagram? Yes, wait, Kanishka, I'm checking. Yes, mark the arrows and point over there. That's correct, Kanishka. Very good.